Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your VIVO Y11s, at the first you have to go for the Play Store and get application to transfer data. So let's get this one, CLONEit. You can take it also from the quick list. Here you get the full name of this app and you have to download it onto both smartphones. Right now we can open, accept permissions, open it on this Android phone also, and on both smartphones you will get notifications and ask for the permission. You have to accept all of them. Right now we have to click sender on Android phone, tap set, turn on location, then just go back and click sender one more time. On your Vivo you have to click receiver, click send again, and if you got here Android share icon you have to tap on it. So let's make it. And right now we can connect in two ways. We can scan this QR code, but also we can input the password manually, so you have to pick your way. I'm going to scan the code. Accept the request. And right now if you want to send all the data, you have to select all these icons. And here you got the size of the selected files and also estimated time. After that you have to click start, but in my case I don't want to wait around 30 minutes, so I will go below for the details and I will show you the example on the music. And I'm going to pick up these two songs from the pause button. If you select everything, click start, OK, and as you can see the transfer is complete. So right now we can check if it was successful. So let's just check if the files are in our Vivo, right? So go for the audio, and as you can see here we can find the songs, and it's very easy. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.